In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly create a WordPress site on WP Engine using AI. We'll streamline the process using advanced tools, ensuring you get your site up and running efficiently. So let's dive right in. To start, head over to WP Engine. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up as it's crucial for managing your WordPress site effectively. Once logged in, locate the Add Site option and select Create Environment. This is where the magic begins. WP Engine takes over, automatically installing WordPress for you. Patience is key here, as it might take a few moments to set everything up. Once installed, click on WP Admin to access your WordPress dashboard, where you'll have full control over your site. Now, to make your site dynamic and packed with engaging content, you'll want to install an AI content plugin or an AI-powered website builder. Some popular examples include AI Engine, ChatGPT for WP, or Elementor AI. Navigate to the plugin section within your WordPress dashboard, click Add New, then search for the plugin of your choice. Once you find it, simply install and activate the plugin. This will significantly enhance your site's ability to generate content with minimal effort on your part. With your AI plugin installed, you're ready to generate content. Use it to create pages like Home, About, and Contact, tailoring them to fit your brand or personal style. For blogging enthusiasts or businesses looking to engage their audience, you can also generate blog posts effortlessly. These plugins can assist you in crafting trip descriptions or product descriptions, making your site informative and appealing to visitors. Building the aesthetic of your website is the next step. Consider installing a ready-made WordPress theme or utilizing AI to suggest layouts that match your vision. This gives your site a professional look without needing an extensive design background. To customize your site further, utilize the drag and drop builder and AI suggestions to adjust your pages quickly and intuitively. To ensure your site is functional and secure, add essential plugins for SEO, security, and forms. This step is vital for attracting traffic, protecting your data, and providing interaction points for your visitors. Finally, to make your site fully operational, connect your domain and enable SSL under WP Engine settings. This step guarantees a secure connection, enhancing the credibility and professionalism of your site. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functioning WordPress site up and running in no time, making full use of the latest AI advancements to streamline the process. Whether you're a business owner, a blogger, or someone just looking to create a personal website, this method using WP